yeah, this year I have decided to step up my bird photography game on our yards. Yeah. As you remember from the earlier videos, I know you have watched it. Of course you have. I have had that hideout there, back side of our yard, where there is old pine tree, and I have a kind of hide under the tree. Dogs are going wild, and I've been taking some shots there. There is a feeding place, and I sit under the tree. Basically, I have some camouflage things on front of me. Hei, tänne näin sieltä nyt. Halla, tänne näin. Dogs are escaping. Yeah, so sorry about that. Yeah, so, but it's cold. It's cold. It's like when it's -20 and the birds really like to eat at that time. It's quite sad sit under the tree there. Well, I have enough clothes that I won't be too cold, but I hope you understand. I'm going to step up the game. The new place is this. This is our children's playhouse. What is it called anyway? And I'm gonna be sitting inside, having something that will warm up this place. It can be a car heater, you know, that you put inside the car, or candles or something. I think it will take really little amount of energy to warm this place up. It's nothing special, but it's an in-house kind of. And this is the window, and the plan for this window is to cut it half. Yeah, cut it half, put a so that the upper side I can watch through, and the underside will be having this canvas like texture thing. And this is the thing I will be using, that I will cannibalize. It's an... Hey, Halla, this is yours. Sorry about the cut once again. I had to take the dogs inside because they were too keen to adventure around. So, yeah, I have this. This is kind of hunting blind that just make this cover. I don't use this. I have, thanks to Ville, I now have that chair kind of hide. I bought it from him. It costs €1.50, so like nothing. So this will be from this. The cloth will be on the under where I can push my camera through, and then the upper side of the window I can still see through and see where the birds are, because it would be impossible to just look around with the camera. Yeah, and the feeding place is just will be next to this house window. It will be under that tree over there, that tree. Also, I have these huge old nasty looking dying tree sticks, trunks, how do you say it, I don't know. I will stick them to the ground there and make some kind of patterns, stations where the birds can land. And I think this texture just will look amazing under the bird. So it won't be, it's organic looking, old looking, it's kind of nice. I will just use the Mike the iron bar to make some holes and to the ground and stick those there. I will have just a normal bird feeding thing. How do you call it? Anyway, bird feeder probably. Yeah, and it will be hanging from there. I will be sitting inside behind this window, and everything will be most brilliant. I know this light-wise this is not the best place. Well, actually it might be during the like the hardest winter time, the sun will be setting over there, so I might get some side lights to the birds, so it might work. Anyway, yeah. Then these are my tools. I'm a Ruobi man. I have everything Ruobi, as I'm a newbie with all the building stuff. And you know, once you buy one, you have the battery for that, and you have to buy others also, because you will have the shared batteries with the devices. Yeah. Of course, the house will also have one bottle of jallu that I can have a sip and keep myself warm. Yes, indeed. But anyway, let's get to work. I need to cut some tree branches over there. I don't know, I will probably break that window or something. I'm not sure. When I try to do it, it will probably crack to pieces or something. It's plastic, it's not glass. So in that way, I will just drill holes and then try to, with the saw, take the down part off. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. So yeah, that did happen. Yeah, it's not the best. Probably my saw is too strong for that, or not strong but crazy. So I will tune down my saw thing. The other one worked just fine. Yeah. That looks perfect. Here is a hole for my camera view. So, plan B. Well, that would be, I have translucent, this kind of plastic that is like letkeet. How do you say it in English? That I could use. I think the project got a little bit harder than I was planning. Well, it's just hobbies. Hobbies are fun. Yes. The question now is, will I rebuild this whole top department? If I would, I could try to put it between, like here, without taking apart this whole goddamn build. I don't know if I take these off, that how much more I need to take off. Or I have this piece. I could just try to cut it evenly with this and then glue it here. That might be one solution for this grand design. But yeah, with the curtain that I will put my camera through, it will be here, and I will just make small holes here and like make a weave so that it will be just hanging here. And probably gonna build some kind of like blocking for the winter time some kind of blocking element that will go inside here and just close this whole damn window off when I'm not using it, so that there won't be loads of snow or things inside. Yeah, but this was my first steps of building this, and this will continue in this same episode, so don't skip on. Oh yeah. Woo. Here it is, my new window frame. God damn, it's beautiful. The truth is, it's been weeks since the beginning of this video. Been lots of things to do and like that. The common like way that I haven't had the time, or weather has been bad and etc. It's also now raining like shit ass, you know, diarrhea kind of ass. But I decided it's Sunday that I need to work on this project a little bit. Yeah. So I made the goddamn thing. This will be with the I think I will need to use some hammer because my calculations are on the highest level of mathematics. Yeah. And I'm planning to which one is which side. Oh, let's see. Yeah, it's like this, and there will be one wood frame kind of bar thing here, and underneath will be the cloth that I can push camera through, and from the upper side that will be sealed with plastic film kind of thing. Oh my god, those screws are like totally screwed. Oh shit, yeah, nice, beautiful craftsmanship indeed. Yeah, so it will be two parts, one that I can see through where the bird is sitting, and other one is for having my camera through it. So hopefully it will go in there. Well, it will go. It looks crooked like hell. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Maybe I will start from the beginning soon when I test this out. But that kind of thing. So let's keep on building, shall we? Yes sir. Brief message from Bob the Builder. Yeah. I went and tested out, and no surprise it's a crooked as F, because left side is here and right side is down here, and top and bottom part. Yeah, very nicely done. Let's start over. Now it looks much better. Yeah. No fuck. Oh, what the fuck did I do? Look. Now this is on top of this, and this is oh shit. Oh fuck. Hey, it's Bob the Builder here. Look how I did it this. It is good. This was good joint. Yes, very good joint. Okay. Might this be the last? But hey, now it's perfect. Let's go through. This is top. This goes up and yeah, down and left and right. And while I was testing, I did put this between these and it was perfect. So now let's go and test it out. I will take you with me. This is the how do you say it? Uncensored moment of truth. Here it goes. Like I said, I might need some adjustment hammer, but anyway. Fuck yeah. Only had to break it down about 4 times before I understood what I was doing. There it is. As you can see, fits most perfectly. Now the between bar, and then on the back side I will attach the plastic and make the canvas thing. Woo! And now it's done. This will be my view point where I watch the birds, and the bottom half will be the camera curtain place. Yeah. So on the next episode of the amazing transformation of children's playhouse into a real photo booth, wildlife photo booth of yard birds. Yeah. So in the next episode of this Just Side Talk, we'll be putting the plastic here and then the fabric thing. Let's see how that goes. Probably like everything has gone. Yeah. So here we are, finally in the shooting place in my beautiful little cottage. Yeah, okay to build. Here is the plexiglass, and here is I will make this a little bit better at some point, but for this time it will serve its purpose quite nicely. Then I have my funeral candles here, and they are where the function of the candles is. I'm trying to get some warm air around the plexi, because when I'm nice, the red birds, puna tulkku, that's it. Yeah, so some warm, because the moisture is here coming from my breath, and it will fog up the window, fog up if I don't have any warm there. I could have a car heater, because it's like few meters from our house. I could just take a electricity cord here and make this place warm, but no need for that at this point. Yeah, some good activity. I would say just normal common birds to this place. Yesterday I was here also testing this a bit, and there was that one bird. Hömötiainen, what the fuck is it? I don't know. Anyway, blah blah blah. Kuitenkin se lintu. I will show you some clips of birds that I will film here, and some photos. But hey, this is it. At least finally it's ready and it's working. Yeah. I think I will spend... Oh shit, I need some insulation for this chair, my ass will get cold really fast. It's minus 17, so it's rather cold. Anyway, enjoy these pictures. Thank you for watching this amazing build thing, and subscribe, like, push the buttons and everything that nice things. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.